All right, so we have example 1. And okay, we just learned the reciprocal identities. We just wrote them down. Now let's use them. So here, we're going to do number 1. We're going to do cosine x equals 0.3 or 3/10. And we need to find secant. Oh my gosh, so how are we going to find this one? This is going to be so hard. All right, so before we do this, because it always makes it easier if we have a fraction here, I'm going to change that 0.3 to a fraction, because again, it's going to make life so much easier. So I'm going to do cosine x still. 0.3 is the same thing as saying 3/10. So if you put it in the calculator and you do math enter, or not math enter, yeah, math enter, it should take you to 3/10. Well, it's 3/10. 0.3 is 3/10. And so 3/10 is 3/10. All right, so we're going to find secant. And so here, secant, using our reciprocal identities, we said that's 1 over cosine x. So going back to those, what you just wrote down, secant is 1 over cosine x. So if we're trying to find secant and they give us cosine, we have to use this one because it has both secant and cosine in it. So in other words, use the identity that actually has both things in it if you can, and then go from there. So here, let's go ahead and do this like we just did it really early on. Cosine x is 3/10. So here, we're going to say that's 1 over 3/10. Oh, we do keep change flip. So it's one of the things that we've done this already. Let me move it over, guys. I'm going to run out of space over here. All right, so we're going to do keep change flip. So here we keep our numerator, change the multiplication, and we flip our denominator, which is 10/3. So 1 times 10/3 is 10/3. Oh, so I'm going to put 10/3 there. So I'm going to write it out so that it deals with what we have up here. So secant x equals 10/3. That's our answer. Okay, so simple, not hard. We got this. All right, so let's try cotangent now. And with cotangent, again, we're going to they give you cotangent, you have to find out what tangent is. So that means we need to look at the trig identity that has both cotangent and tangent in it. Which one has both of them in it? Okay, so we're trying to find tan, so let's do the tan equals part. Because if we're trying to find what tan is, then somebody said tan equal to something. Yeah. So tangent is 1 over cotangent x. And hey, look at there. Cotangent's here, tangent's here. And hopefully, again, everybody sees this. What we're trying to find is what we're setting it equal to. So tangent here, we're trying to find tangent. That's what we set it equal to. So whenever you're looking at these and they say, okay, find cosecant, like for the next one, it means we're going to say cosecant equals and find their trig identity. Look at the trig identity. All right, so here we're going to do 1 over cotangent is 4/3. Again, we do keep change flip. 1 times 3/4. So we get 3/4 here. So our final answer is tan x equals 3/4. Bam. So easy, Mr. Hall. So easy, so easy. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right, so then let's go to our last one. And then here, we're going to be dealing with our cosecant. So that means we need to set it equal to cosecant. And if you remember cosecant, that's the same thing as saying 1 over sine. Again, wait a minute. Cosecant's there, sine's there. What? Oh my gosh, Mr. Hall. You're making this too easy. No, this is actually supposed to be easy like this. For now. For now. In the future, it's going to get a little bit harder. But for now, it's easy. It's easy. All right, again, we're going to do keep change flip. Flip 1/2. It is 2/1. Or just 2. So 1 times 2/1 is 2/1 or just 2. So here, cosecant x equals 2. Oh my goodness, that was so hard. Oh my gosh, what are we going to do? But that's it, guys. That's all it is. Right? So, yeah.